kindergartners. We are going to learn about ladybugs. I sent one ladybug video, and also if you go on Khan Academy Kids, there's some ladybug books there that I posted for you all. And this book I wanted to read to you, Ladybugs, and then we're going to talk about them and do a directed drawing for ladybugs. They're so cute. Ladybugs. Ladybug, ladybug, how do you do? Ladybug, ladybug, show me your wings. So ladybugs, they have 4 sets of wings. There's the soft wings and then the hard shell covering to protect them. So there's a ladybug flying to a flower. Ladybugs are insects. Ladybug, ladybug, show me your legs. So this says fun facts. Ladybugs are small flying insects with 6 legs. And here we can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the other side. It's a little hard to see, but they have 6 legs. Ladybug, ladybug, show me your spots. So look at all the different spots and the different colors. There's a white ladybug, a red ladybug, and a yellow ladybug. Ladybug, ladybug, show me your colors. So a fun fact, ladybugs have from 2 to 16 spots and come in many colors. So you can see the spots are symmetrical. That means they're the same on this side of the hard shell as they are on that side of the shell. They are symmetrical or the same. Ladybug, ladybug, what do you eat? So this was a question from Pear. She wanted to know what ladybugs eat. Ladybugs are very beneficial. That means very important and good for your garden because they eat these guys. These are aphids, and they're insects also, but they're pest bugs. They eat your garden. They eat your plants and your leaves and the fruit. So here are some aphids and ladybugs. We want them in our garden because they eat aphids. Now the ladybugs that we have that are getting bigger right now, they're still in their larval stage. Some are developing into pupa. When the ladybugs come out of the pupa, before I release them, I'll keep them probably for just 1 day so we can watch them. I can make a video. But the directions were to take a raisin and soak it for 5 minutes, cut it in half and put it in there. And so ladybugs, they'll eat soaked raisins. That's where they get their water and their sugar. There's healthy sugars in there. And they said to put some leaves in there because they'll munch on leaves. Here they are again. She's chowing down on some aphids. Ladybug, ladybug, who wants to eat you? Uh-oh, frog. She better watch out because the frog has that long tongue. He'll eat a ladybug. Now the reason they're bright red, it's to say danger, danger to the birds and I taste bad, don't eat me. So that's why they have bright colors, because the birds associate bright colored bugs with bad tasting bugs. Oh, here's their eggs. When they lay their eggs, they're in groups. It says ladybug, ladybug, lay eggs on a leaf. So fun facts, ladybugs lay a few eggs at a time. So here is a cluster of ladybug eggs. And then from them pop those little larvae. Ladybug, ladybug, your eggs will soon hatch. So this picture is showing the ladybug hatching from the pupa. So remember, it goes eggs, larva, pupa, and then the ladybug comes out. And it looks like she doesn't have any spots yet. She's developing them. Fun fact, ladybugs huddle together to keep warm in cold weather. So ladybug, ladybug, keep warm in the winter. Ladybug, ladybug, wake up in the spring. And here they are waking up, looking for some aphids to eat. Fun fact, ladybugs live almost everywhere. Ladybug, ladybug, where do you live? So we have them in Mammoth and Crowley and Bishop. Almost everywhere. Not Antarctica. Ladybug, ladybug, come visit me. Little boy has a nice ladybug house. And so there's leaves in there and maybe some raisins soaked in water. But you want to let them go so that they can go eat the aphids in your garden. There, this person's letting them go. Ladybug, ladybug, fly away home. So now Pear knows that ladybugs eat aphids as a main diet, but they'll also chew on leaves and raisins soaked in water. So we're going to draw a ladybug today. So a ladybug is an insect, and insects have 3 body parts. They have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. So unlike spiders that only had 2 body parts, the head and the cephalothorax, all insects have 3, head, thorax, abdomen. Now their legs appear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fun fact about ladybugs, when they get scared, they have a smelly secretion that comes out of their knees. So it's interesting little fact. They just, if they get scared, maybe a bird or they see a frog, they have this smelly secretion that comes out of their knees and makes the animal go, oh, I don't know if I want to eat that. It kind of stinks. So here's your ladybug. And they have antennae. Antennae help them feel what's around them. Little antennae out, smelling what's around them. Ladybugs are also called ladybird beetles. You'll hear them if you look up some videos on YouTube, some kid videos about ladybugs. They have, if it's set in Australia or New Zealand or England, they'll call them ladybirds instead of ladybugs. So here we have the hard shell. So if you have a red crayon or marker, you can color the shell red. On this side. And then you can decide how many spots you want on your ladybug. Remember, they're symmetrical, so the same spots on this side and the same spots here. So if I make a dot here, I need to make one here. If I make one over here, I'll make one over here. And over here, there. I'll give my ladybug 6 spots. And in the book it tells us ladybugs have 2 to 16 spots and can come in many colors. So if you want to do a yellow ladybug or an orange ladybug, I decided to do mine red because that's what ours will look like when they come out. And then their thorax is black with some white on it. Same with their face. Like their heads are pretty small. I'm going to go ahead and make it all black. A little bit of white sticking out. Just can't really see the eyes, so I can erase a little bit. There we go. There's 2 little eyes. So there is my ladybug. Remember, ladybugs are insects. How many legs do they have? Very good. 6 legs. How many body parts do they have? Yes, 3 body parts. So ladybugs are insects. They have 6 legs and 3 body parts. What do ladybugs like to eat? In the wild, out in my garden, what will they eat? These little guys, they're insects as well. So they have 6 legs, 3 body parts, aphids. There's that PH again that makes a F sound, aphids. So ladybugs eat, there we go. Ladybugs eat aphids, yum, 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 yum. So there we have it, our wonderful ladybugs that we love so much. Insects, 6 legs, 3 body parts, and they eat aphids. If you have questions about ladybugs, then go ahead on our Google Classroom page and ask your questions, and I will answer them. I will research it and answer them for you, all right? Bye.